Wanna plant your favorite veggies come springtime? Then germinate the seeds indoor as early as February. And that is why I'm enhancing our old bookcase using old hardware and wood scraps. I'll add two more shelves, maybe, and that's where we'll place the small containers to germinate the seeds we bought. We'll be ready come springtime. We're looking for a place to germinate the seeds for springtime because it now starts 8 weeks. So we're thinking putting it here because of the sun. I initially thought of making it from scratch. I already sketched a plan, but my wife, wanting to give me a break, showed me this old bookcase, lonely in one corner and fits perfectly the place. I'll try the small one first so I have a chance to fix it if needed. This is the stopper. So we have to stop it at the right one. So let me elevate. So you see, so it's still, this will sit like this. So it's just about half there, half. It has to be the bigger one. So it's this 1164. This is 532. I want to check the depth. Oh, perfect. Oh, we have to adjust the depth a little bit. Perfect. Do the same thing here. I can remove this. Okay, I'm gonna find a suitable one for this plank shelf. Okay, let's reverse. Remember, 6.5, 6.5 from the bottom. Here's the bottom. Gonna do 6. This is from my old cabinet that I disposed. I usually take the hardware just in case, and now I have a good use for this one. See, I don't need to buy anything, so that's why I have lots of garbage in the garage. For that reason. So this is opposite than this because this will catch. Perfect. Now, all we need to do is get the shelving. I'm thinking of what shelving I will use. I have this wood floor laminates left over, and I don't have it anymore. This will do. I'm just gonna cut it clean. Measure. There you go. Now it's cut. Let's see. Ooh. have to cut some more. I'm back. I have to have some slot in here because of this, unless you reverse it like you can do that, you can reverse it. There you go. Now it's only light stuff like plants, everything here. I think we have to screw this. Let's see if this will fit in the bottom. Again, screw it, reverse. Okay. It's not level. I found these scraps, by the way. This is, I think, better. So let's measure this. I like this. You can definitely use this. And let's cut. See, it's almost the same. So we got this. Oh, perfect. Yes. You can put this at the bottom. See that one. I need to drill a new hole to level it. There you go. Perfect. And here's the other one. Yeah, this is. Now let's move this to the place where it belongs. And this is where it belongs. There. By my wife's request, this is where she's gonna germinate the seeds. Right now it's February, 8 weeks before springtime, and there's the sun there, so that's how I use the scrap woods. And this bookcase, actually it's from my I don't know where she bought this, but this is just not fully utilized, so I said, well actually she said let's use that instead. instead of me buying wood and constructing one, which I approximate will cost me up to $60. This one is already there. Why not use it? And the scrap wood. So I need to put something to stop this because it might slide and boom. So again, with my scrap materials from construction, I found this type of, I don't know what this is. There. I don't know what this funny looking thingy. See, there's no Phillips or flat slot or square. So there is a slot here from the bottom. I'll mark it with a pencil. Same thing here. Yeah, there's the mark because there's a hole there. Let's see if this fits. Oh yeah, there you go. There. Two corner here. There you go. Touch it bit. You only want to prevent this from sliding. So, 2 is enough. There you go. And the other one. There you go, see? No, it's not gonna move. Perfect. All the scrap. Good thing I don't throw things. Actually, this one I can... No, I don't need to. There you go. My wife would be happy. Just a sample.